which date is World NGO Day celebrated?
27th February.
Which Indian state is set to host the fourth and final meeting of the G20 Framework Working Group, FWG, in September 2023?
Chhattisgarh.
Which organization received the Mizoram Football Association's award for contributions to football in Mizoram?
Reliance Foundation.
Recently, India and Russia agreed to increase bilateral trade to $100 billion by which year?
2030.
Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Commission for Air Quality Management, CATM, for NCR?
Rajesh Verma.
Who flagged off the CRPF Women Bike Expedition Yashaswini from Srinagar?
Manoj Sinha.
In which city will the 83rd All India Presiding Officers, Assembly Speakers, Conference be held?
Jaipur.
Which company secured a $200 million loan from JBIC for renewable projects?
NTPC.
Wheat blast, recently seen in the news, is a disease of wheat crop caused by which one of the following?
Fungus.
The Livestock and Livestock Products Bill 2023 categorize livestock as which entity?
Commodity.
Which institution is responsible for developing the humanoid robot Pibo designed to fly aircraft?
Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology.
In which country did archaeologists excavate and discover the remains of a young vampire child buried face down and secured to the earth with a padlock?
Poland.
India recently signed a comprehensive migration and mobility partnership agreement in which country?
Austria.
What was the predicted growth rate for India in 2023 in the UN's World Economic Situation and Prospects 2023 report?
5.8%.
Which bank, in partnership with NASL, has launched electronic bank guarantee on its digital platform?
Bank of Baroda.
State of the Union, SOTU address is associated with which country?
USA.
Who became the first Lok Sabha Speaker in 20 years to be re-elected as an MP?
Om Birla.
What is the current IUCN status of giant salmon carp, which was recently sighted in Mekong River?
Critically endangered.
Mudgal Fort, recently seen in the news, is located in which state?
Karnataka.
Which bank revised the market hours of government securities from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. to 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.?
RBI.
Which city ranked highest in the Quality of Living Index 2023 by Mercer?
Vienna.
Which state has recently recorded the semi-wild bovine creature, Mithun, Bos frontalis, for the first time?
Assam.
In which country was the first meeting of Central Asia JW Group held?
India.
Which ministry recently launched the National Apprenticeship and Training Scheme (NATS) 2.0 portal?
Ministry of Education.
Which Indian state is setting up India's first Atal Incubation Center in fisheries?
Kerala.
Which country has approved the sale of ammunition worth $440 million to Taiwan?
United States of America.
Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Lokpal?
A.M. Khanwilkar.
With which country has India signed a bilateral investment treaty, BIT, to enhance investor confidence and foster stronger economic ties?
UAE.
Which educational institution has received approval for its Ujjain satellite campus, as announced by Madhya Pradesh CM Mohan Yadav?
IIT Indore.
What is the name of the new app launched by Google for Windows PCs that streamlines service installation and offers cloud storage trials?
Google Essentials.
Which country hosted the Ukraine Reconstruction Conference?
Japan.
Who has been appointed as the tennis ambassador for Sony Sports Network?
Sania Mirza.
How many crores has the Ministry of Finance approved for capital investment in the current financial year for 16 states?
56,415 crore.
Who unveiled a commemorative coin in honor of N.T. Rama Rao recently?
President Draupadi Murmu.
Which institution released the 2023 Adaptation Gap Report?
UNEP.
Which of the following aspirational districts became the first ever district in India for the on-ground deployment of innovative 5G use cases offered by startups?
Vidisha.
Why did Karnam Shekhar resign from his position as chairman of the National Asset Reconstruction Company of India, NARCL?
Disagreements concerning the institution's structure and operations.
From where was the new generation ballistic missile Agni-Prime successfully flight tested?
Odisha.
What is the name of the campaign announced to commemorate the 75th anniversary of the Indian Constitution?
Constitution Glorification Campaign.
Pranhita Wildlife Sanctuary, which was seen in the news, is located in which state?
Telangana.